Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Revolut Commodities trading. As a beginner or experienced trader, understanding the fundamentals and implementing effective strategies is crucial for success. First, it is essential to understand what commodities are, which include raw materials such as gold, oil, and agricultural products. Revolut provides a user-friendly platform for trading commodities, allowing users to diversify their portfolios and potentially profit from market fluctuations. To get started, users must familiarize themselves with the Revolut platform, including its features, fees, and trading hours. It is also vital to set clear financial goals and assess risk tolerance to determine the most suitable trading approach. One of the key concepts in commodities trading is leverage, which allows users to trade with more capital than they have in their account. While leverage can amplify profits, it also increases the risk of significant losses. As such, it is crucial to use leverage responsibly and within your means. Another critical aspect is market analysis, which involves staying informed about market trends, news, and events that may impact commodity prices. Users can utilize technical and fundamental analysis tools, such as charts and news feeds, to make informed trading decisions. Best practices for Revolut Commodities trading include starting with a solid understanding of the markets and trading strategies, setting realistic goals, and managing risk through stop-loss orders and position sizing. It is also essential to stay disciplined, avoid emotional decisions, and continuously educate yourself on market developments and trading techniques. In terms of practical examples, a common strategy is to trade on trends, where users identify a commodity that is consistently rising or falling in value and trade accordingly. Another approach is to diversify your portfolio by trading multiple commodities, reducing reliance on a single market. By following these best practices and staying committed to continuous learning, users can improve their chances of success in Revolut Commodities trading. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.